Today we'll be talking about dual island sinks and how to avoid the costly drainage mistake. You invested months planning your kitchen island, double sinks, stunning countertops, the works. But if you skip this critical step, you can be left with permanent clogs, foul odors, and jaw-dropping repair bills, all because of one overlooked plumbing detail. It's easy to focus on the beauty of a new kitchen island, but what's happening inside those cabinets, especially with dual sinks, can make or break your remodel. Island loop vents, the right pipe slope, and grease traps sound technical, but ignoring them leads to headaches no homeowner wants. Let's talk about hidden plumbing traps and how you can sidestep them with a better planning process. Hi, I'm Andre Decina, developer and owner of Kitchen Planning. Imagine finishing your renovation only to find that your brand new island sinks drain slowly, gurgle, or even back up. You might notice strange smells or worse, water pooling where it should never be. These aren't freak accidents. They are the direct result of skipping technical planning steps like venting and drainage. Dual sinks in an island require a specialized venting system called an island loop. Unlike wall sinks, you can't hide the vent in a wall. So, the island loop keeps sewer gases out and water flowing right. If you or your kitchen contractor skip this step, you're setting yourself up for constant clogs and failed inspections. Pipe slope is just as critical. Even a small mistake means water, food, and grease don't move through the pipes. Over time, this creates buildup. You can't see until it's too late. And if you don't have the right size grease trap, everything you rinse down the drain can solidify out of sight, leading to expensive service calls and sometimes even structural damage. The worst part, fixing these problems usually means tearing apart the island you just built. That's why the best kitchen renovations start with a plan that covers what's under the surface, not just what looks good on top. At Kitchen Planet, we know how overwhelming remodel details get, especially plumbing. That's why our concierge guided planning service walks you through every technical requirement, so you can enjoy your island and dual sinks without worrying about kitchen disasters. You'll move forward with a plan that protects your investment and keeps your kitchen running smoothly for years. Don't risk your remodel to plumbing mistakes you can't see. Join the concierge interest list and start planning your kitchen with expert guidance today. Dreaming of dual sinks in your kitchen island? Learn how to avoid plumbing traps like missing vent loops and bad pipe slopes. And with Kitchen Planning, again, concierge guiding, planning, you'll have a much smoother process. Protect your remodel from hidden plumbing disasters and contact us for premium planning support. If you like our video, please subscribe below. Also, don't forget to go to www.kitchenplanet.net and download our free kitchen renovation guide. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye now.